Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
No, as an opposition you come.
No, here come is going to not as opposition.
अरे गोइंग कर आम्ही आऊँ तो बायलो
No, but kidi ha.
पहिले first study the matter. No, whether त्यांचा त्रास केलेला आहे बोले then you can suppose त्यांचा त्रास केले त्याले तू काम ले ही कॉन्फरन्स आमची I am just trying to tell you एक कोण इंगा सांग आता त्यांना उलय म्हणून सांग 1 लाख सांगोली की आम्ही केना त्रास केले आम्हाला that as far as the tourists are concerned I think there is certain fee of 20 rupees किती घेता
25 rupees and 50 25. 25 and 50 for the kids at 25. Adults is 50.
25 rupees and 50 rupees. That is the fees basically which is being collected from the tourists to enter to see the Donapaul. Arey Baba, see, listen to me. Why this has been extended? What was the size of this? This was coming here. This has been extended. This has been extended not now. When I was in first government, when Mr. Parikar was there at that time. So this was extended basically to shift the stalls from there. Now you just tell me if you have a stall on that this thing, how do you expect people to see? See, I will put up this thing in front of the tourism minister. Let tourism minister counter their whatever grievances.
So issue काहीतरी politicalize केला गेला होता.
That is the reason I'm saying. It is just the opposition which has come. So the moment they reach something on paper, Donapaul is not going to so it is nothing that thing. It looks basically they are trying to show that that they are the MLAs who are looking at the interest of the Goans, while others are not looking at the interest of the Goans.
ते म्हणटा की हांगासर रेव्हेन्यू खातीर जी फीज आहा ती घेवचीच पडटली तशेंच गेट आहा ती आमी ओपन करपाक शकना आणि अजून त्यांचे उलोवप चालू आसा आणि बाबूस मंजर अशें सांगता की सध्या आमी जे कितें आहा तें उलोवया म्हणटा परंतु त्यांनी सारकें स्ट्रिक्ट सांगलेलें आहे की ज्यो तुमच्यो मागण्यो आहा त्यो पुरो जावच्यो ना त्याच्या उपरांत अजूनय ते आतां फुडें कितें जातलें तें पळोवया प्रोडक्टा खातीर दोनापावल जेटी वयल्यान रुपेश रावत